Hi friends, welcome to the cooking channel Kitchen to Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you an extremely delicious lip-smacking mutton curry recipe called as Tambda Rassa. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make Tambda Rassa. First, in a pressure cooker, add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and coriander paste. You can also use just the store-bought ginger garlic paste as well. Fry it well, and next we are going to add freshly washed and small pieces of mutton, that is goat meat, and also 2 teaspoons of salt. Give everything a really good mix. The ginger garlic paste always helps to cook the mutton or any meat, since it kills the bad odor in the meat and also adds a delicious flavor. Cover and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Open after 10 minutes and notice that it has released some water. Give it a quick mix. Now we are going to add about a cup of water. Again, give it a good mix. Tambda Rassa is a famous delicacy from Kolhapuri region of Maharashtra state. Let it cook for about 4 to 5 whistles on a medium flame. In the interim, here I have roasted about a cup of coconut. Once the roasted coconut cools down, add it to the mixer grinder and make it into a really fine paste. So I'm going to add some water to it and simply grind it to a paste like this. You can totally skip this step and just use store-bought coconut puree. Let's get into the second process of making the Tambda Rassa. So in a medium pot, fry about 1 medium onion. You can always add red onions as well. To speed up the process, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, about a teaspoon. Fry it well. We want the onions to be blackened pretty much like this, so it will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Now add red chili powder, about 4 teaspoons, to give that nice red color to Tambda Rassa. 1 tablespoon of ginger, garlic and coriander paste, and fry it for a minute or so. 2 teaspoons of store-bought mutton masala, and it already has some whole garam masala as well, and 2 teaspoons of kanda lasun masala. Fry it well for a minute or so. Roasted coconut paste or the store-bought coconut puree. Add about a cup of water as well. Give everything a really good mix. Let's check the mutton. So I had let it cook for about 5 whistles. Let all the pressure release first and then open it gently. Let's make sure that the mutton is cooked. So notice here it kind of falls off easily and the meat is cooked well. We are going to simply transfer the cooked meat with all the juices into our fried masala. Since it's a thin curry or a rassa, I'm adding additional cup of water, but you can totally skip it. Adjust the seasoning, so I've added some salt. Mix everything really well. Tambda Rassa is famous for its level of spice. It's pretty spicy. Now I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Mix it really well and let it simmer for about 4 to 5 minutes on a medium flame. Look at that tempting red color of the Tambda Rassa. Enjoy this Tambda Rassa with roti, chapati or even bhakris. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.